Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this video, we learned how to create WhatsApp group. Open WhatsApp on your phone. At first, make sure you have created an account. Now, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap on New Group. Now choose the contacts you want to add to the group. And tap the green arrow in the bottom right corner. Enter a group subject or title, which will be the name of the group. Again, tap on the green arrow in the bottom right corner. Here you can see we have created a group. You can also add a group icon by using camera or choose photo from your gallery. Now your group chat is created and you can start messaging your group members. Easy and quick, right? So if you like this video, don't forget to hit subscribe for more.